Hey, second graders, it is day 4, and we are now writing the conclusion to our paragraphs. As you can see, B, my mini golden doodle, has joined us for our lesson today because I've tried to record this about how many times, B? She just gave me 3 licks, about 3 times, and she has started barking in the middle. So, she's joining us for the lesson, and hopefully she can help us with our writing. So remember, friends, when you are writing a conclusion, you are writing a conclusion or a closing to wrap up your writing. So the point of that is to let your reader know that they're done reading. We can wrap up our conclusion in 2 ways. First, we're going to summarize by reminding the reader what we taught them. And then last, you're going to give them next steps, because a lot of the time when I read informational text, I think, oh my gosh, I want to go learn more. Where do I go? So you're going to give your reader a next step and tell how they might be able to find out more information about this topic if they so choose. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to set the dog down because I'm not sure I'm going to be able to type with her in my hands. So let's hope she is good. All right, so remember, we're going to summarize first. So I'm right below the body of our paragraph. And I'm going to remind my readers about how we talked about germs and specifically that invention of the hygiene hook. So I'm going to say there are many ways to stop the spread of germs during the pandemic, and inventors used their creativity to create the hygiene hook to do just that. So friends, if we had a dog in our classroom, this might be happening anyway. So I'm just going to keep going. Next, we need to give our readers their next steps by telling them how to find out more about the topic. So I might say to learn more, check out, and now I would think about where did I gather my information. We used articles from the news and Google. We use YouTube videos. And if you think back in the last couple weeks, we talked about inventions and we used PebbleGo to research that. So let's say that. To learn more, check out Google to read articles, YouTube to watch videos, and PebbleGo to learn more about creative inventions. Okay, let's go back and reread. Remember to summarize. Our closing wraps up our writing. So our job with our closing is 2 things. First, we summarize what we taught the reader and remind them. And then last, we give them next steps. So let's see if we have that. There are many ways to stop the spread of germs during the pandemic, and inventors use their creativity to create the hygiene hook to do just that. To learn more, check out Google to read articles, YouTube to watch videos, and PebbleGo to learn more about creative inventions. Maybe I would change that to, and PebbleGo to learn more about inventions that stop the spread of germs. So you can see here, friends, our paragraph is done. In summary, remember we began with our introduction, we moved on to the body of our paragraph, and then we ended with our closing. Just like the other days, I will copy my closing onto the next screen, and now it's your turn to write your own. Remember, do not copy mine. Use your own words and your own voice as a writer, and if you need to, go back to your notes, rewatch videos if that helps you as well. On day 5, that's our celebration day where we, as your second grade teachers, get to hear from you as writers, and we can't wait to hear about the paragraphs that you wrote. See you next time.